What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Today I've got my hands on the latest JBL FLIP 5. Now these are premium portable Bluetooth speakers with JBL's signature sound quality, supporting Bluetooth version 5 and JBL's Party Boost, which means you can pair any two Party Boost compatible speakers for a true wireless stereo sound. So without any further ado, let's just get this out of the box and see what it looks like. So this is everything you get in the box. Beginning with your quick start guide, you're getting a USB Type-C cable, and last but certainly not least, the JBL FLIP 5 itself. So here it is guys. Now the speaker itself is designed from a rugged rubber housing with a durable fabric finish on top, and it actually does feel very durable in the hands. Now it's around 18 centimeters long and weighs 540 grams, so very light and portable. Now the speaker is actually IPX7 waterproof, so you can accidentally drop this into up to 3 feet of water with no fear of damaging the speaker. Now quick look at the ports. Now on the top you've got your Party Boost button, volume control and your play and pause. On the back you've got your FLIP 5 logo, which is engraved, and that does look really cool. You've got a power button and your Bluetooth pairing button, and just over here you've got an LED light along with your USB-C port. Now the FLIP 5 consists of a 44mm driver, providing a maximum of 20 watts RMS. Furthermore, you have a built-in 4800 mAh battery, which takes around 2.5 hours to fully charge, but it will give you 12 hours of non-stop music. And this does support USB-C quick charging. So without any further ado, let's just test out the sounds, shall we? So there you have it guys, that was the JBL FLIP 5, a very nice waterproof designed premium rugged speaker with an absolutely awesome sound quality, especially from a portable speaker of this size. In fact, the sound quality exceeded my expectation. It's probably the best sounding portable 20 watt Bluetooth speaker that I have tested in quite a while. So you have a vivid sound with crisp highs and a very nice deep bass. If I had to rate the bass out of 10, then I would rate the bass level 6 out of 10. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you guys in the next one.